If you're attending a wedding or part of a wedding party, you really want to look and feel your best. So I'm here with Cynthia at one of the 80 locations that Tip Top has, and we're getting some insights. So I have to say, I love the experience that I had here. I came for a suit fitting. Everyone was great to work with. But I'm also going to a wedding at the end of the month, and I don't know what to do. It's a formal wedding. How do I choose what to wear?
Can be quite daunting, but I think the number one rule is understand what the dress code is, because that will help guide you and make the decision.
Braden is looking really sharp right now in that Tip Top suit. Talk to me about it.
So he's wearing the classic G. Grafton suit in a beautiful gray and navy check. It's a slim fit, so it's quite modern. And this is super comfortable because it does have a little bit of stretch, and it's also done with their signature party-proof material, which means it is repellent if anybody spills a drink.
There's always that one guy that ends up spilling something on you. You're like, that's my brand new suit.
Well, with this, you don't have to really worry about that.
Perfect. So talk to me about the shirt.
So because he's wearing a pattern suit, we chose to go with a classic white Bellissimo shirt. And again, this also has stretch, super comfortable. And I love the fact that it comes in over a dozen colors.
I have to say, I've worn lots of suits over the years, and these are probably the comfiest pants that I've ever worn. These are the G. Grafton slim fit pants in indigo. For guys, like especially if you're not wearing suits all the time, the pants sometimes are too constrictive, right? So this is stretchy.
Yes.
It's made for dads.
Dads in movement, right?
That's
and
right.
Also for eating and dancing, so they're quite comfortable. And if you're going to a more casual wedding, you can always replace it with a more casual cotton twill pant like a chino.
Yeah, I like that.
But if it's more formal, of course, you want to go with a dress pant.
One of the things I was really impressed with was the accessories, and I love this tie.
There's a couple of things you want to keep in mind. You want to try to match your tie to your pocket square and your belt to your shoes. Just by pulling those together, you'll look super polished.
So one of the things I was really impressed as soon as I walked in is that you guys have some really great deals on suits, so it doesn't have to cost a fortune.
So you can actually own a suit for less than a rental.
You guys have tailoring services on site as well.
Yeah, so you can come in, and if something doesn't fit in length or whatever, there is on-site fit room, and the alterations will be done, so it's super easy.
The one thing that really caught my attention was that you guys have boys wear as well. How cute is that?
I love the fact that you can come in here with your wedding party and then outfit the little mini-me.
I love that.
Yeah, so there's suits that are available in boy sizing, and then it's headache-free. You can come in and get it altered too.
Perfect. Well, there's really something for everyone. Thank you so much, Cynthia.
Thank you.
For more information, visit marcandmandy.com.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.